Joe Dispenza, author of You Are the Placebo, is a scientist, author, and researcher who had a serious bicycle accident. Despite the severity, he decided to heal with the help of inner intelligence, achieving an extremely fast recovery without surgery or casts. Every day, he devoted himself to internal visualizations of health and rejected negative thoughts. Despite initial difficulties and doubts, he gradually experienced improvement and eventually recovered without surgery. After his recovery, he devoted himself to research and teaching about the influence of the mind on health, emphasizing the importance of mind-body connections. He further develops his knowledge in the fields of the brain, epigenetics, neuroplasticity, and psychoneuroimmunology. As a speaker, author, and researcher, he shares his findings at workshops and lectures. With his approach, he helps people change their habits, improve their health, and achieve positive changes in various areas of life. The placebo effect is where individuals experienced significant improvements in their health, simply because they believed they were receiving effective treatment, even though they were given an inactive substance. This phenomenon demonstrates the power of belief and expectation on physical well-being. Research supports this by showing that a positive mindset can influence health outcomes, with optimists often living longer and enjoying better overall health. Faith influences healing. Miraculous healings in religious places are proof. The inner state of mind influences biological changes in the body. Techniques such as hypnosis are used to treat post-traumatic stress disorder in veterans. Research on the placebo effect shows that it can trigger the body's natural painkillers. The opposite is the nocebo effect, where negative expectations can lead to harmful effects. Personality plays a crucial role in shaping our reality, as thoughts, emotions, and actions make up our identity. Change requires making healing decisions and strengthening new neural connections in the brain. Thoughts and emotions form a feedback loop where each affects the other, with our conscious mind being a minor part compared to our subconscious mind. You Are the Placebo concludes with the example of Saransky, who, despite years of imprisonment, maintained mental activity and defeated the world chess champion Kasparov. The power of the mind helps with health, changing life patterns, and shaping one's own reality.